welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to film a unboxing of the, what month is this? September Planner Society box. And I haven't done an unboxing in a really long time. I might have only done like a handful of them on my channel, but this month's kit is like super awesome, and I wanted to show you some of the changes that she's been making to the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. I did open up the bag because I'm super impatient and I wanted to look inside. Just keeping it real. So I did open up the bag, but this is what it looks like. And the bag already is giving me all of the feels. I just love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love this deep blue with the pink. I love navy and pink together. It's just so pretty. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I used to get more than one subscription. I used to get like the sticker subscription and whatnot, but I don't do all of that anymore. I just get the Planner Society kit because I was finding that I wasn't using it all. I have so many Planner Society sticker kits that I have not used yet, and so I just decided to save a little bit of money and take one thing off of my subscription list. But I do still get the kit, and this is why. So I'm going to start with the paper. Now, I did open these up because I was looking through them. I just love them so much. So you get 2 of each print. Excuse me. So the first print is this beautiful dark navy, like wood grain, and then it's got the florals on top. And I like that the wood grain is on top of the florals, and I just think that that's going to make a really beautiful traveler's notebook dashboard. And then this is what the back looks like. I think it goes this way. I don't know. It doesn't. It looks like it goes this way to me, like with this side, but this side it would go this way, I think. I'm not sure, but that's what the back side looks like. It's that beautiful like mustard color. So we can flip this around like this. And then the next 2 look like this. So you've got the green, this beautiful green, and then you also have the navy bows. Isn't that beautiful? I love the green. I love the navy bows. So then you have those. And then the last 2 papers, we'll get to the acetate and the vellum here in a second, but the last 2 papers look like this. You've got the pink floral, and then you have this like a darker pink floral. So that is all of that. So we've got those 6 papers, absolutely beautiful, and I love them. I love the navy with the bows. And then when it comes to the acetate and the vellum, so she has included these now for probably the past going on close to a year, but this one here is a gold acetate that matches her. It's got her bows on it. It does have like some sticky residue on it that I don't know what that's from, but it wipes right off. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't matter. So that's beautiful. It's like a light champagne gold. I hope you guys can see that. And then the other side is going to be the back of the foil, which is silver. So I guess you could use that side if you wanted the silver, but you've got the gold. And then we have 2 pieces of vellum. One with the adorable fox print, and then one with this really great like berry wreath. So super, super pretty. And you've got some really great options. I love this polka dot acetate over, I'm sorry, this bow acetate over the floral. It's so pretty. Okay, so those are all of the papers that you get in the kit, and I am obsessed. Now, where do I want to start? Okay, let's start with, I'm just going to start picking from the top. So these are the notepads that you get. This is the notepad that you get for this month. It is this really adorable little fox, and it does have a light gold foiled bow on there. I don't know if you can see that, but those are super cute. And I really like the backer card with like the little scallops. Those are adorable. And then to go with that, you do also get a sticker. What is this? Embroidered patch. And this is what it looks like. So this is a sticker. Let me show you. So looks like that. So that is so stinking cute. I love these. These have been included in a couple kits, some previous kits, and I just think that these are so sweet, and I love the colors. I love the cute little pink cheeks. Okay, and again, a really beautiful backer card. And finally, for the fox, we do also get a fox paper clip. And this one is a felt paper clip with a really cute bow backer card. And then here it is. It's really cute. It's like laying down, and it's got the cute little pink cheeks, which I love. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty decent quality. It does have some glue gun on it, but that's okay. Like, that's to be expected, and it's the back, but the actual embroidery is really pretty. That's a really pretty pin. Okay, or paper clip, I mean. The next piece that is not new to her kits are the, what are these? These are the divider tabs. Really pretty backer card. These, the only difference here though is that she has added some foiling to them. So they're all different. You get a different print for all of them. And they match the papers. So you get two of the bow, one bigger, one smaller. And then you get two of the floral, one bigger, one smaller. Those are really pretty. And then you have your labels, which are also in that pretty like champagne gold foil. Not the biggest fan of the font, but it's pretty. And those are really cute. I like that she's adding the foiling touches to those. So there's that. Let's put those over here to the side. Another element that's in all of her kits, you know what, let's do those next. Another element are these, I don't know, like headers that like go on the top. I don't know how you describe these. You make like a bookmark with them. You have a week to do a today, which I do like this pink today. Can we pop out the center? Oh yeah, okay. I was like, I don't like that the O and the D don't have the middle part popped out, but there we go. I like that one. That's pretty. You have a notes, a month, and then you have the same thing but in gold. And to be honest with you, I have never used these. But I do think they're pretty. I do really like this one. And so we might make a today marker with those, but we may not, because I'm going to show you something in a little bit that's new this month that you don't necessarily need to make a marker. But okay, so then we have our die cuts with this gorgeous backer card. And this is where I'm really impressed with what she's stepping up. So number one is the size of the die cuts. Number two is these great big bow die cuts, which I love. And number three is that she's added foiling to them. So you get these, which are all really beautiful. Okay. And then you have the, she always has like a journaling card, like something with a word. And these are so cute because they look like the cross stitch, I don't know what they're called, but it's like the circle, like the loom maybe. And I cross stitch, I love to cross stitch. So this one says shine like the stars. This says kindness is contagious. I love that one. This one says never give up. And this says friends make the world beautiful. And they're really pretty. And I like the elements of the foil that she's added on there. And then we just get into all the other die cuts. So let me clear out some space here so you guys can see. I love this one here with the planner. You've got a pen, the little So you do definitely have a lot of options for die cuts. I got cut off there, I'm really sorry, but I like that she has the bigger options and the smaller options, and that she is including the beautiful foiling on a lot of her die cuts now. So that's been a nice addition, something new, something different that I really like. And I like that she's giving us a bunch of different size options, because I definitely like big die cuts that I can fill pockets with. But I know a lot of people like little ones too. So, okay, so there are the die cuts. The next element that I want to show you is nothing new to her kits, and that is some stickers. She always includes a little bit of sticker. So let's take a look at what we have. Looks like there's some foiling on these stickers. I haven't even looked at these yet, because I just didn't want to open it and ruin the look of her packaging. So let's see what we have. Oh, and the paper quality feels different, almost nicer, I think. Well, these are nice. Okay, so you get 4 sheets, and they all have foiling on them. So this one here has all these cute tiny little bows, butterflies. It's all the same elements on the die cuts. It's just that they are they're foiled. They're really pretty. Look how cute are these, all these little tiny bows. Got some phrases there. You've got these cute foxes with little bows on them, and then you have the girls with some touches of the floral. So that's really pretty. I really like that. So I love that she's adding all that foiling in. She's really tapping into what the trends are right now, which I really appreciate. So this next item here is nothing new to her kits, but it is something different in the way that she's done them this time, and that is planner pockets. So these are stunning, okay, and they've got these gorgeous gold foil. Now I love this gold. It's dark gold compared to the lighter gold that's on the stickers. This is almost silvery, but I like this gold better. So you get a nice pretty pink one. So if you don't have the backing on it, it looks like that. That is so pretty. So you have this really pretty pink, this really pretty dusty purple. You have a really pretty like teal. Let's look what this would look like without the white. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. And I love the little scalloped edge right there. Like, that is gorgeous. And then you have the navy, which is so pretty. Like, oh, it's just gorgeous. I love these. These are so beautiful. And I love the touches of the gold foil. Just stunning. She really, really, really is bringing in some gorgeous elements to the kit. That's why I wanted to do an unboxing, because I had to show you. Okay, so we're almost to the end. This, I'm trying to figure out where the package opens. This piece here, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this. This is a cute little clear, oh, am I getting a message? Okay, sorry, my phone was just vibrating. It is this beautiful clear like sticker book, because inside it has the little pockets like that, so you can fit her stickers inside. And it's got the really pretty pink bows on it. And we got another one like this in last month's kit, or the month before, but I think it was, it was the holographic one, because it's got a little holographic one of these in it. But I've seen people turn these into little traveler's notebooks, and I just think that would be so cute, because right now I have one from not a clear one, but another little sticker book from a previous month that I used to hold on to my receipts. But I don't really know what else I'd use it for, so I want to find something that is relevant and that I would use, and I just think it's so cute with the bows. So stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with that bad boy. Okay, And I saved my two favorite parts for the last. So this is new to her kit. She's never done these before. She has done these cute little bookmarks that have like stacked, and I love this backer card, that have stacked artwork, but nothing ever like this. So this is like a hard laminate, I mean, this is like very thick laminated bookmark, and you get one in each size, and they both have this cute little ribbon. Is this polka dotted? It is. It's a polka dotted ribbon with a cute little pearl, and they're cute little bookmarks. Aren't these adorable? And what I like about them is that they're plain. They're just gold, and they'll go with anything, like any kit that you have in your planner. So this is definitely one of my absolute favorite items that she's ever included in the kit, and I love it. Like, I love these. So these are super spot on. And then the last piece is my favorite piece in the kit, and that is this gorgeous pen. It has the bow detail, and then it has these beautiful navy blue and light blue flowers inside. And then it's got this really beautiful little bow on, a little bow charm. And it does come off. It does just have a little lobster claw clasp, so you can take it off if you wanted to. But I do not want to, because I just love it. And this is a ballpoint pen, but you can change that if you don't like ballpoint. But I just love this pen so much, and I cannot wait to use it. It's going to my work on my desk, and I'm going to love it forever. And that's it, you guys. That is everything in this month's kit. So hopefully, if you guys haven't been keeping an eye on, you know, her sneaks and everything, hopefully you got to see something new in this video, or if you just wanted to see it, you know, up close and personal. I wanted to make sure that I was giving you a little sneak. I am going to be filming a planner setup with all of these goodies in my traveler's notebook, so stay tuned for that. I wanted to film this first before I unpackaged it all and started using it all, and I wanted to make sure that you got a chance to see it in all of its beautiful glory before I started putting it to work. And I know that the video would end up really long if I filmed everything together, so I didn't want to do that. I did also want to show you how beautiful my two new Simply Gilded washies would be with this kit. Just stunning. Even the brown and the pink would be beautiful. Those are the colors of my wedding, brown and pink. But anyway, those are not part of the kit, but I just wanted to show you even those three together. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you got to see something new, and stay tuned for seeing this in my planner. See you soon. Bye.